This is our Tactical Solutions complete X-Ring rifle, all built on aluminum receiver, aluminum barrel, stainless steel bolt,
This thing right here.
lightweight, extremely accurate. Offer them in various colors for the shooters that like to bring a little color into life. We do black as well, and of course the greens. Extended magazine release, allows the magazine to easily come out. Check us out on the website at tacticalsoul.com.
It's sad, they're very
The guys and gals of GunWebsites.com encourage you to take a CCW class every year, practice at least once a month, and carry every day. Thanks for watching GunWebsites.com.